Ladies and gentlemen, how do?
Commander Bone Spurs held his Bigly, Russia, North Korea, Putang, Kimmy, Kiss Me Quick, style military parade over the weekend, and it went down like a wet sock thrown at an invading army. The Bigly parade did not go quite as planned, and just like Commander Bone Spurs' mushroom, the crowd size was tiny. Shady Pants, the olaged couch pounder, had trouble staying awake. His mail-order bride, Melanoma, looked more pissed off than usual, and even his daughter, Wanker, didn't turn up for Daddy's birthday military jerk-off.
I can't feel it, I'm gonna be okay, 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 alright. It's about that time. I let you go, sentimental. If I see you walking in my valley, I say it's talking out the sound you lost. 'Cause I don't give a whoop, I got too much. I'ma need like some more in my cup. Wanna get up, wanna get down. Oh, that's how I feel right
In 1914, years of escalating competition between European alliances culminate in the outbreak of the First World War. The two sides engage in a savage war of attrition, defined by opposing trenches, barbed wire, poison gas, and mass casualties. The United States initially maintained its neutrality, but was eventually drawn into the conflict in 1917. Despite having less than 130,000 soldiers at the beginning, the Army eventually grew to over 4 million, with nearly 2 million soldiers serving in Europe. In 6 months of fighting, nearly 50,000 Americans lost their lives, with another 190,000 wounded. The guns fell silent with the armistice of November 11, 1918. We continue on with more USA World War I rolling stock. This 1918 Dodge touring car was part of the legendary 1919 Transcontinental Convoy.
Fantastic audience. It was supposed to rain. They gave it a 100% chance of rain, and it didn't rain at all. It was beautiful. One of the wettest we've ever seen from the standpoint of water. And so I asked if they gave it 100% chance, right? 100% it was going to rain like crazy, and it didn't rain at all. How did they predict 100 years out, and 50 years out, or 200 years out? They didn't do too well, the weather people, last night, but it was beautiful.
Celebration of Army. As you noted, the other branches are much younger. I'm sure that's a source of competition at times, but this is a chance to celebrate soldiers.
Was Commander Bone Spurs compensating for his alleged tiny weapon by showing off some massive weapons? California Governor Gavin Newsom thought he might be and posted this on Twitter, X or whatever the feck it is called these days.
Right? And when you got to say to a woman, hey, listen, you got to go to my personal doctor and I'm going to have you checked out. Is that a tough thing to say to a woman, or you just got the balls to say it?
You know, I'll tell you, it's amazing. I can't even believe it. I've been so lucky.
Right.
In terms of that whole world.
You've never gotten a social disease.
It is a dangerous world out there.
It is.
Scary. It's like Vietnam, sort of like, you know, the Vietnam era.
It is your personal Vietnam, isn't it?
It is my personal
It is. You've
Vietnam.
said that many
I feel
times.
like a great and very brave soldier.
Oh.
It's okay. It's okay.
That's all, folks.